Okay, so for the first question, we have 85 divided by 5. And you can see on the right, we have 4 steps. How many times? Multiply, subtract, and bring down. So in order to start off with this question, we're going to place the 5 over here and the 85 inside. Right? So for our first step, how many times? How many times does 5 go into the first digit that you see over here, which is 8? Right? 5 can go into 8 at least once. Right? Now for our second step, we have to multiply. 5 times 1 will give us 5. Right? For our third step, we have to subtract. Therefore, 8 minus 5 will give us 3. Okay. Then for the fourth step, we have to bring down that 5 over there. Okay. And once you are done with the fourth step, you have to repeat all of these steps again. So how many times does 5 go into 35? 5 can go into 35 at least 7 times, right? Now, multiplying 5 times 7 will give us 35, right? And therefore, subtracting these two will end up with 0. Now, to finalize our answer, we say 17, right? Remainder 0. Okay. Try this example. We have 66 divided by 2 using the long division method. 2 can go into 6 3 times. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Right? Subtracting 6 minus 6, we get 0. Okay, and then for the fourth step, we bring down that 6 over here, and then 2 can go into 6 3 times, right? And then 2 times 3 will give us 6 again. We subtract, and then 6 minus 6 will give us 0. Therefore, our final answer here will be 33, remainder 0. Let's try this. We have 720 divided by 14. Okay. 4 cannot go into 7, right? So I'm going to push that 7 over to the 2, and therefore we have 72. 14 can go into 72 at least 5 times, right? Because 14 times 5, right? We have 4 times 5 will give us 20, right? Place that 2 over there and a 0 here. And then 1 times 5 is 5 plus the 2 will give us 7, right? So, yeah. So 14 can go into 72 at least 5 times. So 14 times 5 will give us 70. Let's subtract 72 minus 70. We will end up with 2, right? For the fourth step, bring down that 0. End up with 20. So 14 can go into 20 at least once, right? And 14 times 1 will give us 14. Third step, subtract, will end up with 6, right? We cannot bring anything down, so therefore our final answer will be 51, remainder 6. Okay, try the fourth example. We have 650 divided by 10. 10 cannot go into 6. I'll place that dot over there. Carry that 6 over to the 5. 10 can go into 65 at least 6 times, right? Then 10 times 6 will be 60. So I subtract, and then 65 minus 60 will give us 5. We bring down that 0, and this is now 50. 10 can go into 50 at least 5 times, right? And 10 times 5 will give us 50. Subtract, and I'll end up with 0. Therefore, our final answer is 65, remainder 0. Okay, here we have 278 divided by 12. Okay, 12 cannot go into 2. I'll place a dot over there and carry the 2 over. We have 27 over here now. 12 can go into 27 at least twice, right? Because 12 times 2, well, that will give us 24, right? So if I write down 24 over here and I subtract, I'll end up with 3. Because 27 minus 24 will give us 3. We bring down that 8 over there, and this is now 38. Now ask ourselves, how many times can 12 go into 38? Let me see if I, wait, sorry. So it's 12 times 3, let's try that. So 2 times 3, that will give us 6. So I can write down 36 over there, right? And I'll place that 3 over there, right? Because I have to multiply 12 by 3 in order to get 36. Once I have that, I'll subtract the 2 and I'll be left with 2. Since 12 cannot go into 2, my final answer is 23, remainder, right?